Okay, so we got a new box. Little boy's testing it out. We got it from the Chinese restaurant in Hyde. The other box was falling apart. Yeah, he likes it. You like it? Do you like the box? Yes, you got a nice little box, Shug. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Is little boy a good boy? Yeah, you're gonna fall out that way. What are you doing? Hi, my love. Yeah. Get an itch. Alright, well, enjoy your box. Stop fighting, guys. Enjoy your box. Man, y'all gotta stop growling at each other. Sonny, be nice. You gonna try the new box out? Your brother's enjoying it. Yeah, you like your box. Alright, so cat in the box again. Who's got a good box? Who's got a good box? You do? Alright, God bless everyone. Much love.